welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you will be updated for my new uploaded videos. So today guys, it is different from my content in my channel because this is my first time to do an unboxing. So please watch till the end. We will unboxing this one. Are you excited? I'm excited. It's like the box is bigger than me. See, look. Let's get started. Unboxing Louis Vuitton. This is my first purchase of LV for myself. So I'm excited to share with you guys. So let's do it. Okay. Oops. Are you excited too? I'm excited. This is the bag that I choose. Okay, I'll show you first. It's supposed to be this here. Still here. Oopsie. When I first saw this in the website of Louis Vuitton, I already love this bag. Oops. 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 Okay, let's put this box here. Let's put this bag here first. And then okay. Let's put here. Okay. Oops. Chut, 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 chut. Yay. There you go. My bag. Before I purchased this bag, when I checked their website, they don't have this color. I like the caramel color. But if I said if they don't have this color, maybe the black shoulder, the strap I mean. But then after waiting, I checked their website again and then this caramel color is available. So I went straight to their store in Marina Bay Sands shop here in Singapore. Then I asked the salesperson there and he said they have one like this. They have stock and it's the last one, so it's really for me. But before I bought this one. I watched some videos, like reviews, in the YouTube channel too, and there some like pros and cons. So I said I want this bag. There are pros and cons, but it's still up to you if you know how to like take care of your bag, and then it's okay. This one can be adjusted like this. This one, there's flowers inside to protect. This one here, you see, there's a compartment here, like division here, like that one here. You can open this one. Yeah, so this is the cardboard. Here, you can put something here. I think you need a separate like pouch, so you can put the small things, because when you put some small things here like ball pen or whatever, like small, it will goes here. If you put here, it will go back there, go and forth, because this one is not attached inside. Go. So what else? This is the Neonoe caramel color. This one can be removed. This is detachable. There you go. See? If you want like shorter handle, maybe I can buy online and then put it here, so you can just carry it like this. Let's put it back. I love my bags. I love my bag, my new bag. Go. Let's try this one. There you go. See? You can adjust this by, if you want the like sling bag, but it's too long for me. I'm short. I'm just 5 feet, you know. And this one is long. See? It's long already. You see? You can look here. You can also put like crossbody, but it's already. Maybe if I'm taller. Just here. Yeah, like this only. If I adjust it, it's long already. Damn. What else? Oh, the one inside is the You wanna know how much I paid? For this bag. In Singapore are expensive. They said if you buy this in like Paris, Italy, Spain, or where else, it's more cheaper. But then I cannot go travel, so I just bought here in Singapore. See how much I bought this bag. Okay, I share with you. I share with you. Can you see? Can you see? There. Cheap only. Very cheap. You can buy it too. You just save money. Okay guys, that's all. I think nothing for me to say. So I need to say bye-bye. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much.